product that can do any and all kinds of wet and dry grinding. Yes, there are many grinders in the market, but you can't beat this brand new product by Chef Pro. Chef Pro's Wet and Dry Grinder. It is extremely versatile when you need any kind of grinding done in your kitchen. Let me start. You may grind juicy tomatoes to whip up a great salsa, puree basil to make fresh pesto, or crushed dry spices to create your kind of unique spice rub. Grind flax and seed for a powdered consistency, or even something as hard as a nutmeg. All this can be done in one stainless steel grinder jar with a stainless steel finished body that does it all. Let me demonstrate to you this product. This Chef Pro Wet and Dry Grinder is equipped with a 350-watt motor. This machine has a safety feature. It has a built-in micro switch. Place the cup firmly on the base. Place the food, which has been cut into fairly sized pieces, about 1 inch, in the cup. Do not fill the cup completely. Place the cover in the cup. Match the arrow. Turn the cover counterclockwise until it clicks and locks in position. You may turn the start switch to either pulse, low, or high speed setting. You can stop the process once the food is to your desired consistency by turning the start switch to off position. Open the cover by turning it counterclockwise. It can do several things, such as black pepper, flax seeds, cinnamon, nutmeg, green chilies, ginger, garlic, onions, and many more.